Everything you need to know about the Boeing AH-64 Apache helicopter. With its unmatched performance, advanced sensors, and connectivity, the AH-64E Apache is the world's most advanced multi-role combat helicopter. It serves as the backbone of the United States Army's attack helicopter fleet and a growing number of international defense forces. McDonnell Douglas, which merged with Boeing in 1997, was the previous manufacturer of the Apache attack helicopter. It was designed to combat opposing armored forces while also supporting the infantry. It's designed to operate in all tactical environments. The Apache's primary mission is to assist ground troops and engage ground targets. Additionally, the AH-64 Apache can operate feet-wet in conjunction with U.S. Navy aircraft carriers and transport craft. This boosts both forces' capabilities. Army aircraft can now conduct missions across a broader swath of the globe, while the Navy can project force using cargo vessels. Inter-service collaboration is critical to the U.S. military's performance, and this innovative usage of the Apache contributes to that achievement. It's powered by two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines. The AH-64 is powered by two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines boasting about 1,700 horsepower each and is equipped with high-mounted exhausts on either side of the fuselage. Each engine is connected to a simple gearbox via a driveshaft. The rotor has been designed to enable far more maneuverability than a standard helicopter. A range of engine variants powers the Apache. Rolls-Royce engines power those in British service. General Electric Aviation began developing more powerful T700 GE701D engines for AH-64DS in 2004, rated at 2,000 horsepower, 1,500 kilowatts. It's equipped with air-to-air missiles and a 360-degree fire control radar. U.S.-made Apache AH-64E helicopters are outfitted with cutting-edge technology such as air-to-air Stinger missiles, a fire control radar with 360-degree surveillance, a single-target tracking system for missions across land, air, and sea, and improved detection of smaller unmanned aerial vehicles. To add to the lethality of the helicopter, it carries the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, APKWS, formerly known as Hydra, family of guided and unguided 70mm rockets.